Hey, we're gonna make cloud egg in a pan today. After you separate your egg yolk from your egg whites, all you have to do is start whisking. You're essentially trying to reach a state where your egg white can hold its form without expanding. See, it's foaming already. Wow, it's starting to look fluffy. Whisking only took me about 6 minutes to reach the desired egg white form compared to the 25 minutes it took me when using a fork, so just a heads up, you might want to use a whisk. It looks solid enough now. We're oiling the pan here on medium heat. Then putting the egg whites in. I'll dig a little hole for the egg yolk. I'll leave it for about 3 minutes like this. Okay, so we're gonna remove the lid. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Egg whites are 90% water and 10% protein, so that could explain why the egg white expands due to the trapped moisture, which contracts quickly once you release that moisture. You've been educated. I covered it with a lid again to keep cooking the yolk. Oh, it's jiggly. I'm scared and want the yolk to be just a little more cooked, so I'm going to flip to the other side for another minute. Yeah, that doesn't look so good anymore. Maybe you guys shouldn't flip. If you guys don't want to eat your egg too raw, then I think you should still flip it. If you're just doing it for purely aesthetics, you probably shouldn't flip. The oven cloud egg is way fluffier, but this will do. Please taste okay. Okay, tastes like an egg. Let's try the yolk now. Okay, I like kind of runny eggs. So it's a good tasting egg, but better with ketchup. Okay, that's it. Hope you learned something today. Let me know if you have any tips or questions below. Yay, you made it this far. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for similar content.